Is Safari taking too much storage on your iPhone? Over time, Safari stores website data, cookies, cache files, and browsing history that can consume a significant amount of storage space. If you want to remove all stored website data and free up the maximum amount of space, follow these steps. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps, then tap on Safari. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Advanced. Tap Website Data and select Remove all website data. Confirm your choice when prompted. You can also delete website data for certain websites. To do this, simply swipe on the website you want to delete data for and hit the delete option. For an even deeper cleanup, open Safari settings, select Clear History and Website Data, select Range and confirm your choice. This deletes browsing history, cookies and website data from Safari. So why does Safari website data uses so much storage? Websites store cached images, videos, login information and other files to improve loading speeds. Over time, this data can accumulate and consume hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes of storage. Regularly clearing Safari website data can help free up iPhone storage, improve Safari performance, fix website loading issues, resolve website login problems, and remove outdated cached files. And that's how you can delete website data in Safari and reclaim storage space on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.